Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to park and retrieve calls on your Cisco phone. Parking a call is placing the caller on hold until another user can answer the call. Parking a call. With a caller on the line, press the More soft key to display more options. Then press the Park soft key. This essentially puts the caller on hold. Then dial any extension in your network. This identifies where the call will be parked. Press Call. Retrieving a parked call. Press the More soft key to display additional options. Then press the Unpark soft key and dial the extension where the call was parked and press Call. You will then be connected to the caller on hold. You can also perform this function using the keypad on your phone. With a caller on the line, press the Hold soft key to place the caller on hold. Press the New Call soft key. Dial *68 and the extension where the call will be parked and press Call. To retrieve a parked call, pick up the handset. Dial *88 and the extension where the call was parked. Press Call. You will then be connected to the caller on hold. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.